Hi boys and girls, it's time for day 19 of our phonics. We're going to start with a little review of reading some vowel team words, and then we're going to come over here and we're going to work on these contraction puzzles to review our contractions. So let's start with our vowel team OA. And remember, OA says O, and we're going to write that a little bit bigger in the middle here so you can see. And let's make some words with OA. Let's put a T on the end, and we have oat. Let's put a C at the beginning. Now we have coat. Let's put a blend at the beginning. Now we have float. Let's change our ending sound to a D. And here's our OA again. Let's put a T in front. Now we have toad. Let's put an R in front. And we have road. And let's put a G in front, and we have goad. Let's switch now to our EA vowel team. And remember, EA together, we're going to say E. Let's put an R in front and a D here. We have read. Put an L in front. We have lead. Let's change our ending sound to an M. And now we have ream. Seam, like the seam in your clothing. Team. Let's put a K at the end and change some of our sounds. Now we have beak. And let's change now to our AI vowel team, which says A. Now we have rain. Put a B in front. We have brain. Change our ending sound. We have braid. Let's put an M at the end. Now we have claim. Good job on your review. Let's go ahead to our contraction puzzles over here. And you can see we have the contractions already made, and we want to find what two words formed that contraction. So let's start with reading through our contractions. Won't, we're, she's, theirs, he's, your, theirs, should've, I'm, could've, isn't, and here's. So let's draw one of our puzzle pieces here. And I have the two words, she is. She is comes from the contraction she's. So we're going to hang that one over there. And you can see when they formed the contraction, we took out the I and put our apostrophe in its place. She's is formed from she is. Let's pull out another one. We have should have. And that one would go down here, would should have. Should have came from should have. We took out the H and A and put the apostrophe in. Boys and girls, you can pause at any time if you want to try to practice writing some of these. Our next one, we have will not. Will not came together to form won't. Now this one changed the word. This is one of those tricky ones that we just have to remember. Will not becomes won't. Our next one we have here is. Here is the one way down here. Here's. Here is becomes here's. You take out the I and put in your apostrophe. Our next one is not becomes isn't down here. We took out the O, put the apostrophe in. Isn't came from is not. Our next one, could have. Could have makes the word could have. This one's going to have to hang off a little bit for us to fit it in. And you can see the H and the A were taken out and the apostrophe was put in its place. Could have becomes could have. Our next one, there is, becomes theirs. We took out the I, put the apostrophe in its place. There is becomes theirs. Our next one, I am, becomes I'm. We take out the A, put in our apostrophe. I'm is formed from I am. Our next one, we are, forms the word we're, the contraction we're. We take out the A, and put in our apostrophe. We are becomes we're. Our next one, he is becomes he's. We take out the I, put in our apostrophe. He is becomes he's. Our next one, there is becomes theirs. We take out the I, put in our apostrophe. Theirs was formed from there is. Our next one, you are, forms your. We take out the A, put in the apostrophe. Let's go through all the words we've made here. So we have will not becomes won't. We are becomes we're. She is becomes she's. There is becomes theirs. He is becomes he's. You are becomes your. There is becomes theirs. Should have becomes should have. I am becomes I'm. Could have becomes could have. Is not becomes isn't. Here is becomes here's. And here are a couple bonus ones we didn't have room for. Would have was formed from would have. And you can see we would take out the H and the A and put in our apostrophe. And our last one, could have becomes could have. And again, we take out the HA to form that contraction. I hope you enjoyed reviewing your contractions today.